Our close-to-home wood products are beautiful, but there's more to the story. Here are the 4 reasons to love mango wood. Mango wood is a natural byproduct of the mango fruit industry, so the trees are plentiful. And because a single tree can grow to full height in just 15 to 20 years, forests can be replenished quickly. Because mango wood comes in a stunning array of colors and grains, when you give a close-to-home piece, you are truly giving a unique gift. Mango is a hardwood that is commonly used as a furniture material, but here at 31, we can easily etch detailed and intricate designs into every piece to truly make it your own. You can feel confident serving up your favorite dishes on our mango wood trays, which are totally food safe. Make room for our close-to-home collection in your home. Connect with your consultant today.